back to Fun Time with Zoe and Jamie. Today we are gonna discuss you the parts of the plants. Okay, so Mama, first we are gonna show you the roots of the plant.
Where?
So this is actually a tree, and
I'm gonna do this.
and also the roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. They get water and minerals from the soil for the plant. They also store food to be used by the plant. Okay, and also the stem holds the different parts of a plant. It carries water and food to every part of the plant. There are also stems that can store food, just like these, like that. And then the next part of the plant is called the leaves, right here. The leaves are the plant's food
I got a
factory.
flower.
They can make food for the plants. The green coloring matter of plants, called chlorophyll, makes photosynthesis. Possible photosynthesis is the process in which the leaves take in carbon dioxide and water to make food with the help of sunlight. And then, let's show the flowers. Flowers are important because they contain the ovules, which become seeds later on. They also attract insects that help in producing more plants through pollination. And then we will show you the fruits. Okay, there fruits there. No, over here. Just like these purple cherries. Fruits protect the seeds that become new plants. Okay, and now we will have a question and answer with Jamie.
It's supposed to be A, B, C.
Okay, so let's talk here inside. Okay, come Jamie.
Can I peek?
No. Okay, Jamie, go there.
Okay.
Okay. I will have a quick quiz for you. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. I will have a perfect quiz for you. Okay. A, B, or C. They hold the plants firmly to the ground. A, roots. B, flowers. Or C, stem.
B.
What? Flowers?
Oh.
No, it's wrong. It starts with an R.
Roots.
Correct. It's roots. Now, what? Okay.
Si Zone naman.
Okay, so number 2, they are the plant's food factory. A, stem. B, fruits. Or C, leaves.
Leaves.
Correct. Number 3, it carries water and food to every part of the plant. A, stem. B, flower. Or C, fruit.
Stem.
Correct. And then, number 4, they also beautify our surroundings. A, fruit. B, flower. Or
B.
C, leaves.
B.
Correct.
Flowers.
Now, number 5, they protect the seeds that become new plants.
Oh.
A, flower. B, roots. Or C, fruits. Roots yung B, ah. The B is roots. Okay,
Roots.
correct.
Roots.
Now, do you know about the parts of the plants now?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do we need to do so that the plants can grow?
Water.
And then,
Water and what?
And
It's up there.
Air. Sun.
okay. But,
Sun.
what is the object? It's like, what is the thing that we put in the pot, and then it's covered, it covers the roots.
Soil.
Correct.
Soil.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.
Turn
and-
on post notifications.
Bye. Bye.